Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Tara, lunch na po tayo. Ayan, ang aming lunch for today. Ayan, alaan with seaweeds. Sarap po ng seaweeds din. At lumpiang toge with sausawan. Tara, lunch na po tayo. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Happy Friday. Yan po ang aming simpleng lunch for today. Thank you for watching.